How's it going, guys? Mcfgotmillk here. Welcome back to another auto video. In this video, me teaching you a few ways how to fix or make sure everything's okay when your engine overheats. And before we get started, I want to make sure you like and subscribe to this video for more. It helps it out. It'd be very appreciated. So as always, let's get back to the video. Okay, so what do I mean by when your engine overheats? What I mean by that is, you see that little gauge, C and H, and the weird little key in the water? That's your engine temperature. And what happens, I'm gonna tell you how to fix if that gets to there. Normal operating temperature should be right in the middle, but sometimes it can go up to here, and that is not good. So where do you check? Under the hood first, obviously. The first thing you should check is the radiator fluid, which will obviously be your coolant. Without coolant, guess what? The car's gonna overheat. When your car is cold, do not do this when your car is hot. When your car is cold, open this. See? That's when it's hot. I'm just showing you for demonstrations. If it's hot, it all squirts out everywhere, and it gets really, really hot. So you don't want to do that, but you want to open it up. Demonstration here. Open it, and if there's nothing in here, it's going to mean that you're bone dry. Your car is not taking any coolant. Again, you can also check in here. Obviously, I have some coolant because, again, I showed you that spit out. Make sure you fill your coolant. Second thing is under your hood again. You want to make sure that your fans are working. I only have one fan. Most cars have two, but my car only has one fan. So what you want to do is you want to start up your car. Turn your air all the way on, as so. And then you want to see if your fan's spinning. My fan's spinning pretty fast, but on camera, for me, it looks like it's going really slow, but fan's working. So always make sure your fan is working if your car engine is overheating. Another thing you can do is you get these little guns, they're little heat guns, like what firefighters use when they're going into a fire. You want to point that on the engine and see if it actually is overheating. If you want to see if it's actually overheating over like 200 degrees, I don't know the exact temperature, but I know it's something like about there. Again, you can get those for about 70 bucks, 50 bucks if you really want to, or you can just ask a mechanic to do it for you. Last but not least is your actual thermometer. The thermometer can go bad, and that could also be a reason why. Your engine could be running completely fine, but again, the temperature could be going bad, telling you that, oh my god, it's through the roof, when it's not, because the temperature thing is a little thing that has doors that close. And again, it lets the temperature warm up in the engine, and then it'll open up after the engine is warm, and then it reads the temperature. But again, those little doors can get stuck, and the temperature is really not that much money to repair if it is broken. Alright guys, that's the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it helped you out. If any of these helped, let me know. Leave a like below. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.